Parhta, and today I will complete my surprise. And we are here. Look at, I'll show you. Come on, you guys will tell. Look it. This is all. And then now we will go and show you what will be the surprise. It will be so nice. So, for more information, please read the safety card in the seat pocket in front of you or near you. If you are too expensive, please read the instructions illustrated there. If you need any assistance, now we are here in aeroplane now. I'll tell you where we are going. We are going to Pakistan. We have so much fun. And we are now watching TV.
The use of mobile phones and internet.
Let's have this. Sleep on it. And we also have this. A book. So we can know what an alots is. It's too tight. It's so much tight. I can never talk. And I have one, so don't forget to like and share, subscribe. Our channel. I also have the eating time. I'll check this out in a minute. Bye-bye. And I have fun, so don't forget to like and share, subscribe our channel.